Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make gravy using all-purpose flour. Melt butter in a pan, add flour, and whisk until you have a smooth paste. Cook the roux until it smells nutty and just begins to brown, then slowly whisk in warm stock a little at a time to prevent lumps. Simmer until it thickens, season to taste, and strain if you want an extra smooth gravy. A good roux sets the whole gravy up for success, so focus on technique and timing. Melt butter, add flour, and whisk the mixture until it forms a smooth paste without any lumps. Cook it gently until it develops a golden hue and a toasty aroma, but keep the heat moderate so it doesn't scorch. This creates a flavorful foundation that will thicken the stock evenly when you add it. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like the video, it really helps. Quick recommendation. A book called The Simple Path to Wealth offers clear advice on money and mindset, and it's great for anyone looking to simplify decisions, even around food budgets. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want to grab a copy. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Always warm your stock before combining it with the roux to keep the texture silky and lump-free. Pour a small amount in first to loosen the roux, whisking vigorously, then continue adding stock in a thin stream while whisking until smooth. Simmer the gravy to concentrate flavor and adjust thickness, then season with salt and pepper and finish with a touch of cream or pan drippings for richness and balance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.